A beam of light consisting of red, green and blue color is incident on a right-angled prism as shown in the figure here. Okay. The refractive index of the material of the prism for the above red, green and blue wavelengths are 1.39, 1.44 and 1.47. That is the mu value. There is the refractive index. Okay. Then the prism will, according to this 4 option, which is the right option, we need to find here. Okay. Now, the refractive index mu is calculated as, that is 1 divided by mu is equal to 1 upon sin theta c, where theta c is the critical angle, and for a critical angle that is 45 degree. Then we get the answer mu is equal to 1 upon that is a mu is equal to 45 degree, then mu is equal to under root of 2, which is nothing but 1.414. So this is the mu value we are getting. Now by observing this one, the refractive index of the red light is 1.39. This which is less than the mu value. Then while the refractive index of the blue and the green light are greater than mu value here. Okay, the mu value mu red is less than the mu value, and it is greater, okay, mu red is greater than less than the mu, and this is less than mu of blue, and it is mu of green value, right? Since the refractive index of the green and blue light are greater than 1.414, then will undergo the total internal reflection. Only the red color will not undergo the total internal reflection. Then from the 4 options we can see the prism will separate the red color part from the green and the blue color. Yes, this is the right option. And the prism will separate the blue color part from the red and the green color. No, this is not the right. Separate all the 3 colors from one another. No, wrong. Not separate the 3 colors at all. So this is also wrong. So option A is our right answer.